There's a race to be on top. The competition doesn't stop. Mixing with the ladies fair, being charming, debonair. The game will reign supreme, and no one can deny. They'll make them history, and always have an alibi. So join in the jubilee. The cats are great, they'll all agree. You'll find in each calamity the cat's superiority. Heathcliff, Heathcliff, no one should terrify the neighborhood. But Heathcliff just won't be undone. You should realize he can win it with you.
Don't leave or nothing, but this part's coming up. Now watch what I do.
Heathcliff! Heathcliff, do you want to ride in my baby carriage?
No time for this today. I've got to get to the pound and get that dog catcher to work. And maybe I could use a ride.
What? Wait, Heathcliff! Heathcliff!
There's my chauffeur.
Yikes! Heathcliff, get off my bike! Hey, sit down. I can't see. I can't see.
He's late again.
Dooley, you've only caught one dog all month, and that was the police chief's. If you don't like your job here, my son would love to have it. One more blunder, and he's going to get it.
Yes, sir.
Now get out of here.
Yes, sir. I don't even feel like catching dogs today. Whoa! Oh!
Hey, we hit the jackpot.
Look, Heathcliff, I'm not taking in those dogs. Their leader is the mayor's dog. Oh, no.
Now look, if we work together, we can get rid of this Heathcliff clown in no time. Get him!
Oh.
Now that's what I call togetherness.
Huh? Wow! That's a pretty good catch, Heathcliff. The captain is going to love this.
Well, it's about time you started doing your job right, Dooley. Caesar, I belong to Mayor Bogwell. Dooley!
Yes, sir. Heathcliff.
That's it. You're fired. Turn in your badge and net.
No.
And clean out your truck before you leave. Now I can hire my son, Junior.
I'm gonna catch some doggies. Oh boy, there's one now. Gee, this is gonna be easier than I thought.
This Junior might work out okay. Hiya, Sonia.
Well, hello, Heathcliff.
Woof, woof, woof.
Hey, that's no kid. That's a doggy. Another doggy. My dad is sure gonna be proud of me.
Yeah, you're a real prize, Junior. Hi, guys.
How about this, Heathcliff?
All right. Junior has got to be stopped, and as usual, it's up to me. Phase 1, show everyone how smart Junior is. Woof, woof.
More doggies.
Come on, you mutts, out of there. Oh, I hope no one sees me doing this. It could ruin my reputation. Not you, Caesar. Woof, woof.
Boy, this is the biggest doggy yet.
I'll take this, thank you. And furthermore, there isn't a dog among you who can catch me. And I'll prove it. Let's go, boys. Time to go.
Let me talk to Mayor Bogwell. Mayor Bogwell, what is going on? There is a wild gang of dogs destroying the whole town.
Well, the truck is clean. I guess I should return it to Captain Kelly.
I assure you, Mr. Mayor, we have the situation under control. My boy, Junior, is bringing in a truckload of animals right now, sir.
Well, it better include that pack of renegade dogs and their leader.
Hiya, Daddy. I got a whole truck full of doggies.
You see, Mayor? I told you we would straighten this out. Huh?
Huh? Oh, Caesar! How did you get in with all those animals? Kelly!
All right, you mutts, single file. Togetherness, what a pretty sight.
Fine job, Dooley. Keep up the good work.
Well, thank you, Mayor Bogwell, but I don't work here anymore.
What? Kelly? What's he talking about?
Well, you see, Mayor Bogwell, listen to me, Kelly. You get rid of that blubber-headed son of yours and put Dooley here back on the job, or I'll have you cleaning kennels. Yes, sir, Mayor Bogwell.
I get you guys out of there, but you're a bunch of losers, see?
You know, Caesar, you guys really ought to work together.
Huh?
You never a dull moment. Stick with me, gang. I'm just getting warmed up. It's not a good idea for any animal to be overweight, but it's especially bad for an older pet. If your pet is getting on in years, the smart thing to do is check with your vet about diets for older animals. Food! You see, when a pet gets older, it gets harder and harder for them to carry all that extra weight.
You're the one to talk, Chubby.
Maybe I'll ask the vet about a diet for me, too.